when one person says, by voting, I want X, but then it's interpreted, because they don't know the system, to say Y, and then the government and the House of Commons and the Senate all decides on Y, then that is the restriction of the rights of the person who initially wanted X. Therefore, practically, we think this motion actually helps us understand the will of our people, and therefore it must stand. Principally, though, we can see that we can do this. We can violate these rights, which we're not actually doing, because people under our geographical jurisdiction still have to obey Canadian laws anyway. Immigrants are not necessarily voters. Immigrants are voters if they still have to abide by Canadian laws. We simply stratify citizens towards two levels. First, there are citizens that have the responsibilities of citizens and have the rights of citizens, and then there are a class of citizens in which they take the test, therefore they are informed of the consequences of their decisions, and therefore they can vote. We also want to ask the question, is it right to give people a choice if they don't understand the consequences of their actions? We can see this principally in many other cases. That before we let people drive, we first teach them, this is what you do when you drive, and inform them of certain consequences of their driving. We think it's pretty much the same. Which brings us towards the last theme for today, which is enfranchisement. Denizen said, well, this will increase voter apathy. Anson's entire point kind of contradicted that, saying that two things. One, we don't think that will happen, because when you have more civic awareness, you have more civic participation. And when that civic participation occurs, you have a more responsive relationship between the people and the government that's also more accurate as well, and therefore not compromising on your rights to express your opinions, but also on other people's rights to express their opinions. Secondly, we also said that even if voter apathy increases, even if that does occur, then what happens is that they're making that kind of informed decision. They're making the decision that no, I don't want to vote, no, I don't want those responsibilities, no, I don't want those consequences. We think that people do have the right to do that, and if they do pass a test and then not vote, then they have a more legitimate reason not to vote after they understand the consequences of that. They said it discourages minorities and ghettoizes communities. We had an entire point about standardizing fundamental Canadian values, which is basically reduces ghettos and reduces cultural ghettos, because they all understand coordinate goals on how to help each other and what values that Canada stands on. For these reasons, stand for Canadians, stand for our citizenship, and stand beside proposition.